Okay, so this is a dismantling or salvaging of a Begode 88.8 volt 24S. I think maybe 2 parallel battery pack that I bought from a local e-bike, e-scooter, EUC retailer. So let's see how it goes. I'm not having much hope for this because I remember I checked it ahead of time. I'm not sure if I'll even be able to recover or this is worth it, but at least we get to dismantle it and see what's underneath. So put this on 200, turn it on. So this is a positive. This is the negative. No voltage. No voltage. Oh, no, that's not a good sign. All right, so let's open this up carefully. What is the best way to do it? Let's see. It's silicone. It's got this, I'm not sure what this is. And it's siliconed up, heat shrunk, sealed. I think if I cut in the middle here, I won't cut into the cell. Let's just cut a little bit here. It won't. She's unwrapped. All right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24. So the 24S 1P. Here's a fish paper, custom fit. Okay, so here's the BMS side of the board. See, battery 1 starts here. All right, so this is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24. There's some corrosion here, here, and here. And here's the other side. I wonder if this is worth dismantling. I mean, I could test the cells now and see where they stand. Probably get no voltage though. Battery 1. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, well, that's not good. This worth dismantling? I'm still deciding. I'm not sure. Well, let's just look at the design build. Looks like it's some sort of connector for data maybe, or temperature. Charge minus connector. And the P minus connector. And then the B plus connector. Let's just see how this thing is hooked up. Remove this. There you go. So it's just wrapped in this sleeve here, which I will just cut open. So it looks like P minus is connected to one lead, positive, and then the charge one, a smaller one, goes there. Should use a pick here to remove this. Tape. Okay. Would this BMS be considered salvageable? Would it be still good? What I can do is take the BMS off by cutting these connections here. Okay, whatever, it's fine. This one shows corrosion here, here. So I think these won't be recoverable at all, but at least I'll just take it down or tear it down on camera. So it'll make for an interesting video at least. And vacuum it as well. Okay, so the more difficult part is removing these ones here. This worth it. I mean, they're all 0 volts. Don't think there's going to be any shorting. Would like to just dismantle the board out, take it out. Okay, so I managed to cut these big leads here, and I can just cut these very carefully and then lift it up slowly. But these are all corroded as well. The only one I can't really cut yet is the positive, the main positive and the main negative, which are so close to each other. So even though this is a completely dead pack, I'm still kind of worried a little bit. Okay, let's try and pry it out. You know what, let's put some tape on, even though I know it's dead. It's still good to do that. There you go. Oh, I got it. Huh. Good. Oh, there's the BMS. Here's the back side, just covered in fish paper. All right, let's put that away. I'll also clean off the edges here so I don't cut myself later. When I go, lots of dust comes out when I tap the thing here. I'm gonna have to clean this up a bit more carefully later. How are these connected? Just through glue? I think I can just pry it open here. There you go. Yeah, just pry it. Okay. There you go. It's pried open. I'll split them into 2 packs. Deforms the cells slightly. I'm just worried about the negative portion though. How easy is it to remove the negative? Oh. Wow, really corroded there. Okay, I just want to extract 1 cell. That's all. Okay, well, I'm not going to dismantle this any further for health reasons, but I will just get it ready for recycling. I'm going to cover this all up and tape cover these terminals here. Okay. Well, I can't seem to extract this one. I'm just gonna let it go. Okay. That's it.